morning to a rainy day 39. This little puppy came over this morning, decided to rain on everything. So wet, boggy, everywhere, unfortunately. No one's here at the moment, it's only 7:30. Sometimes Asian people don't actually come in when it's raining or it's forecast to rain, so I think these guys are pretty good. Not that I think they can do a great deal when they're here if it's going to carry on like this. So hopefully it will brighten up and the clouds will clear away a little bit more, and then we can crack on this morning. But at the moment it's not looking too great. But obviously the plan today is to try and get some blocks delivered and get building the surrounding perimeter walls, which at the moment haven't been finished, obviously, so they've still got to get that done as well, which I'm sure today rebar guys might turn up and crack on with obviously trying to finish this. Not too sure why yesterday, I mean, without the boss being here, the rebar guys literally were sat around their rebar container for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and they knew they had to get this done. And then he turned up and saw it, and rightly so, flipped his lid. And then obviously it was all rush at the last minute, but the guy didn't deliver enough concrete anyway, so he literally left and didn't come back. So we've got this one here poured. I've stopped obviously near the container here for a reason. I'm assuming it's because obviously we've still got to move the container over to the other side. So I was trying to find somebody that can move the container. I'm going to put a phone call into somebody I know today, see if they can do that for us. Still got to get all the light and power about the beautiful telegraph pole, because that has definitely got to be moved, because it's right on our boundary line. Other than that, I really can't think of anything else today that we're going to get on with doing because of the weather. We've still got to put more marl into the driveway, because this part here is a bit sludgy, number one. And number two, it's obviously just a bit too steep, so it needs to be levelled off a bit more. Eventually it will come up to height. Obviously it's going to land up being road height, so the road itself will carry straight on in, which is why we're trying to keep as much mud as possible, because the mud's got to be put right over here when the garage finishes, where the marl has been dug up here. That is technically the back of the garage, so the marl will come up and the mud will be dumped behind that. So that's the initial plan. So we'll see how many people turn up today and what the plan is, and whether the weather's going to be good enough to us or not. The clouds are showing signs of trying to disappear, but they are coming this way. So we'll look at the weather forecast in a minute and see what it looks like. But other than that, that's us for the day, so I'll check in soon. A bit of a misfire today so far. The rain obviously keeps kicking in. There's quite a few guys on site. Blocks have been delivered. And they're prepping obviously the actual foundation element to the block walls themselves, so they're getting ready to start utilising them. So fingers crossed we'll start laying blocks at some stage in the next hour. And the rebar guys came first thing this morning and finished off, but now the rebar is all the way along, but obviously the concrete needs to be poured in order to crack on with those. So we've got quite a few blocks delivered this morning. I don't know how many, but there was a few. And also there's a remainder of them. And then as long as the rain can hold off, so that is just gone over. Dumped a little bit of water, not major. So hopefully guys can just crack on if the rain will hold off. That's the plan. Okay, sorry about the wind, just a quick update. The wall seems to be coming together, although a little bit slow. Mixer problem this morning, so we've had to get another mixer. That's now done. More blocks have been delivered. And the guys are now laying blocks. It does seem that the rebars are all put in the wrong places, so they've had to do a little bit of amendments to try and get the blocks going. But the wall is starting to appear. So first course there, look, and over there we're at 2 courses. So obviously they're trying to mark up the walls to ensure that they can actually get the wall dead straight, and obviously get the courses right, because basically they've had to do something similar. I don't know why they've done that. They've stepped to the concrete lower over there, medium here, and then higher there. It's probably because of the actual gradient that we're losing. But anyway, so there's some of the rebars that have to be sort of rebent back. And these were columns, so these need to be coming back. So, blocks everywhere. Truck of blocks. Cement mixer. More water. Rain. Hopefully it can hold off the rest of the day. It's had a couple of little light showers, but it's been alright so far. So the sun is out. It is about 30 odd degrees, so once it rains then the sun comes back out again. So as long as I can continue doing that. So hopefully they can get that wall done today. That would be the aim. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so I'm going to be shooting in a minute anyway. Okay, just returned at 4 o'clock. Big man himself is here. Let's see what sort of update they've actually done. Nice to see it's still dry. A couple of little wet patches, but other than that it's been alright. Hopefully that brick wall is getting higher. Okay, so getting a bit more. Still getting down. Which is good. Yeah, so still quite a bit to do. So they'll carry on the remaining of the day, obviously. The fact of the matter is, still got 2 walls to build. Could have done a lot more today. Got a little bit more planned. Did the rebar and the footings, setting out the footings a bit more on the money than it should have. But anyway, see what I can actually get finished today. Still got to finish off the fence. And nice to see the walls actually coming up.